Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. We have Liam and Sophia were married in 2024 and file a joint return. Sophia worked as a software engineer and had significant tax withheld from her paycheck throughout the year. Liam is self-employed and owes $15,000 in past due child support from a previous relationship. When they filed the joint return, they were expecting a $4,000 refund, but the Treasury applied the entire amount to offset Liam's past due child support debt. Sophia is not legally liable for Liam's premarital debt. Which form should Sophia file to recover her portion of the tax refund? So here they're asking you, we have a several form. Do you know which form it is? Now, if you're completing this question on farhatlectures.com, you could always ask farhat.ai to explain the topic for you. Otherwise, if you know the answer, you select the answer. Is it Form 8857, Request for Innocent Spouse Relief? Now, this is very tempting because there's relief, spouse, innocent. You would think that's the case. No, this is not an innocent spouse relief situation. Innocent spouse relief is when there is fraud or errors on the return. A is out. It's a tricky answer choice. Do they have to file Form 1040X, amended U.S. tax individual income tax return, change in status to married filing separately? Do they have to go back and file married filing separately? No, that's not needed in this situation. This is when you amend the return. Is it C, Form 8379, injured spouse allocation? And the answer is yes. This situation appears as an injured spouse, and here what you have to do, you have to tell the government of this $4,000 refund. Sophia is not responsible for the debt of Liam. Please refund Sophia's portion and take Liam's portion to pay his child support. So the answer is C. Is it Form 4868? You need to know what Form 4868 is. It's for an automatic extension if you want to have an extended period of time. If you're using farhat.ai, you can ask the AI to explain the answer choices better. And if you want to get a question similar to this one, you could ask farhat.ai to create a similar MCQ for you to practice this concept. What should you do now? Whether you are an enrolled agent, CPA exam candidate, accounting student, invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your education, in your professional certification. Farhat Lectures can help. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.